So we're pleased to announce our new partnership with Ramair. We are now approved dealers. Welcome Adam from Ramair. He's just come up to visit us today. He's brought his fantastic M2, which as you can see is well branded as well. So we're going to be putting all these products on our website. We're going to start off with the G8X range. So it'd be the M2s, the M3s, the M4s, and then we're going to start adding as we go along. So Adam, why us? Why Kits UK?
We thought with our carbon range of kits for the M2s, the M3s and the M4s, it'd add something extra for your carbon range and look good in the engine bay with the rest of your cars.
Which it does, which we're going to go into in just 1 second. So we're going to get the bonnets up on these. We can just do a B-roll of both air intakes on both these cars.
It's our G87 M2. It's got the Ramair intake kit on it. We put the MMX power bank. It's got a Miltech OPF back exhaust on it. And with just those 3 mods, we got it to just shy of 600 horse. So I think it's 587 horsepower. It's great. We use it as a daily. I drive it all around the country to see our dealers.
So on our car, we've got the Ramair air intake. That's the only thing we've done with our engine. We've got the Remus OPF back on the exhaust, which is from the Performance Company. That does delete the resonator as well. And we've also had a secondary cat delete as well. So this is the beginning for us. We are going to be looking at the MMX box, which Adam's got on his. And that's it for that.